Welcome to our video lecture on the process of behavioral modification in organizational behavior. In this session, we will explore Luthan's Organizational Behavior Modification (OBM) approach and its practical applications in improving workplace performance. You will learn about the steps involved in identifying, measuring, and modifying employee behaviors, and how these techniques can be applied to reduce absenteeism, enhance productivity, and foster a safe work environment. Let's dive into this essential topic for managing and influencing workplace behaviors effectively. Organizational Behavior Modification, or OBM, provides a structured approach for improving workplace behavior and performance. It is based on the principle that behaviors can be managed and modified by reinforcing positive actions and discouraging negative ones. OBM focuses on aligning employee actions with organizational goals. For instance, if the objective is to improve customer service, OBM might focus on behaviors like greeting customers promptly and handling complaints effectively. The approach emphasizes consistent measurement and evaluation to ensure that behavioral changes lead to desired outcomes. The first step in OBM is to identify critical behaviors, those actions that directly influence outcomes. For example, safety compliance, such as wearing safety gear, ensures a safer workplace and reduces accidents. Once behaviors are identified, measuring them is crucial to understand their frequency or occurrence. This creates a baseline for future comparisons. Functional analysis further explores why these behaviors occur. For instance, employees might avoid safety gear because it is uncomfortable or because of peer pressure. Understanding these factors helps managers address root causes effectively. In this step, managers implement strategies tailored to the specific behavior they want to change. Positive reinforcement is the most effective and commonly used approach. For example, rewarding employees for consistent punctuality motivates them to continue this behavior. Negative reinforcement works by removing an unpleasant situation once the desired behavior occurs, like stopping supervisor criticism when tasks are completed on time. Punishment, such as issuing warnings, discourages negative behavior but must be used cautiously to avoid resentment. Extinction focuses on eliminating undesired behaviors by withholding rewards. For instance, removing incentives for incomplete work ensures that employees are motivated to meet standards. Evaluation is a critical step in the OBM process as it determines the success of implemented strategies. Managers need to compare current behaviors with the baseline to assess improvement. For instance, if wearing safety gear increases from 50% to 80%, it indicates progress, but there may still be room for improvement. Feedback plays a vital role in this step. Managers can refine strategies, like enhancing incentives or addressing remaining barriers, to achieve complete compliance. Continuous monitoring ensures that the intervention remains effective and aligned with organizational goals. OBM offers several benefits for organizations. By focusing on specific behaviors, it helps managers pinpoint root causes and implement targeted solutions. For example, if absenteeism is a problem, a reward system for regular attendance can encourage employees to be present consistently. Additionally, OBM provides a structured approach to performance management, making it easier for managers to monitor and control behaviors. These advantages make OBM a valuable tool for achieving organizational objectives. While OBM is effective, it has limitations that managers must address. For example, relying too much on external rewards can discourage intrinsic motivation. Employees might perform well only when incentives are provided, and their motivation may wane when rewards are removed. Additionally, OBM often overlooks internal factors such as personal values and beliefs that influence behavior. Balancing external reinforcement with intrinsic motivators is crucial for sustained performance improvements. Behavioral management approaches have practical applications in managing attendance and productivity in the workplace. Absenteeism can be effectively reduced through small but consistent incentives. For example, offering bonuses for perfect attendance motivates employees to prioritize their presence at work. Similarly, rewarding employees for meeting or exceeding productivity targets boosts motivation. These techniques not only improve individual performance but also enhance overall organizational efficiency. Behavioral management is instrumental in improving safety and sales performance. Safety initiatives, such as rewarding compliance with safety protocols, not only reduce accidents but also create a culture of accountability. For example, recognizing teams for zero safety violations reinforces the importance of safety at work. In sales, tiered reward systems drive employees to surpass their targets, fostering a competitive yet motivating environment. These applications demonstrate the versatility of behavioral management in addressing diverse workplace challenges. Behavioral management techniques are vital for creating a productive and positive work environment. By aligning employee behavior with organizational objectives, OBM ensures that every action contributes to overall success. Techniques like positive reinforcement and structured interventions encourage desirable behaviors and discourage negative ones. From improving attendance to enhancing safety and sales, behavioral management adapts to address a wide range of challenges. Ultimately, its structured and evidence-based approach makes it indispensable for achieving long-term organizational growth and success. Thank you for watching this video on the process of behavioral modification. We hope you found the content insightful and informative. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging lectures on organizational behavior and related topics. See you in the next video.